Hello, friends. It's always a pleasure to connect with you here at Intuition from Above. Today, I want to share a powerful concept with you: the power of your mindset in shaping outcomes. It inspires optimism, our mindset, resilience, the way we think about ourselves and the world around us, influences our behavior, our interactions, and ultimately, our results in life. It's like a pair of glasses through which we see the world. If our glasses are tinted with negativity, we'll only see the dark shadows. But, if our glasses are clear with positivity, we can see the light, the opportunities, and the beauty that life has to offer. A positive mindset invites a ripple effect of beneficial outcomes. Remember, every thought you have sends out a vibration into the universe. The more positive these vibrations are, the more likely you are to attract positive outcomes. Just imagine if we treated every challenge as an opportunity for growth, or if we viewed every setback as a setup for an even greater comeback. That's the power of positivity. Now, cultivating a positive mindset isn't about ignoring life's difficulties. It's about approaching these difficulties with a constructive attitude and trusting that you have the power to overcome them. So, I invite you, friends, to embrace the power of a positive mindset. Notice how it shapes your day-to-day experiences and guides you towards more positive outcomes. After all, positivity attracts positivity, just like a magnet. Remember, you have the power to shape your life with your mindset. Choose positivity, resilience, and growth. You'll be amazed at the transformation that awaits. Until next time, keep shining your light, my friends. Stay positive, stay motivated, and remember, your mindset shapes your world. See you in our next conversation.